How to call Bank of America. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can call Bank of America. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to bankofamerica.com. Make sure to sign into your account. For that, tap on the login option. Then, over here, you want to enter your user ID and password and tap on the login option. If for some reason you're not able to log into your account, you can directly tap on these three lines and tap on the contact us option as well. Now, here are some issues that you can simply tap on and you're going to receive more help on these topics. However, if you directly want to call the customer service representative of Bank of America, then tap on the About Bank of America option over here. Now you simply want to dial this number in the available time, and then once you dial the number, you will be able to contact the Bank of America customer service representative. Another way is to simply open up any web browser and search for Bank of America contact number. And here you have the number. You can simply tap on call this number option. And from here, you can tap on the dial button and dial this number. And in this way, you can call the Bank of America. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.